I can't take this anymore. The noises are getting closer.
Stay calm, I'm pulling into the driveway. I'll be there any second now.
Mom, please hurry. I'm really scared now. I need you here.
I'm running to the door. Stay on the line. I'm here for you.
I think I hear whispering now. I'm so scared, Mom.
Stay strong, I'm at the door. Open up, I'm here with you now.
Mom, I'm too scared to open the door. What if it's not you?
It's me, I promise. Open the door, let me in. You're safe with me.
I can't believe this is happening. I thought I was alone.
You're never alone, sweetie. I'll always be here for you, no matter what.